Welcome to Kevin's Garage. So there I am cruising down the road in the 2021 Encore Buick GX, and I get the dreaded low tire pressure light. Now keep in mind, these sensors are set at some point and they orient where the tire is, but if you have a tire rotation and don't clear and re-enter the sensors, it was telling me it was the front right tire, but it was actually the back right tire. So I went a couple of days, I was just putting air in it, and then I decided to bust out the old tire repair kit. Now in the past I've used some cheaper kits just to prove if they could work, but this time I actually got my hands on one of these better higher end kits, and it worked great. I started by stopping and just grabbing a plastic spray bottle and taking the spray bottle and filling it up with soap and adding some water and shaking it up, and this is how I was going to find the hole in the tire. Also this time, usually I would take the tire off, but this time I figured I would give it a try to just try to use the soap and water and find the hole in the tire right on the car and give it a repair right on the vehicle. I started by just spraying the section of the tire that I could see, and then spraying up a little bit higher, and at that point I didn't see it, but then all of a sudden there it was. The soap, really, I mean, the bubbles just bubble right up. It makes it very easy to see, very easy to find. So then I just backed the car up to get it in the position I want. Obviously here wasn't far enough. I backed it up just a little bit more, and now I had it right where I wanted it. I could get leverage on it and I could see it, and this is the point that I discovered that it was not just the hole, that there was a nail in there. And you can see, we take a little closer of a zoom, you could see the nail. It looks like the head has been, you know, wore off over a couple of days of driving. So we go in the garage and get our Speedy Seal repair kit. This kit's got a couple of tools. This is our plug installation tool. Next we've got our plugs themselves right here, and then we've got our reamer tool to kind of ream the hole out before we insert the plugs. That's just a razor knife to kind of cut the plug off. Some needle nose and directions. We don't need directions. We don't need those. So we get our tools pretty much ready to go, but the next thing that you want to do is get your plugs and take a plug and halfway insert it into the plug insertion tool. And so you want to use gloves because these things have glue on them. Get it started, use your needle nose to pull that plug about halfway through your plug insertion tool. And this is a good point to take a look at this tool. The end of the tool is split right here at this point so that you can push the plug into the tire, you know, into the hole about halfway. And then you want to cut on all at once, pull out, and the plug will come right between the prongs, and the plug will stay in the tire and the tool will come off of it. So next we've got our plug tool all set up. We've got that ready to go. Our plug's inserted. We got our reamer tool ready to go. Let's get back to our tire. What we're going to do next is we're just going to make sure we got a good view of where the nail is, and take our needle nose pliers from our repair kit and go ahead and pull that nail out. And you can see this is a pretty good size nail. The head is completely gone, probably from a couple of days worth of driving that it's been in there. Who knows, maybe it's been in there for a week. So that air is rushing out now. You want to get that reamer tool and get it in and out of the tire twice. I like to do it. One full out, or one full in, out, and one full in and out with a little bit of twist in there. And then grab your plug insert tool. This is why you want to have that ready to go. And you want to insert that plug about a half to 3/4 of the way. You can see it there. And once you get it pushed as far as you want, and that's about good there, get a good firm grip with your hand and very firmly, just one swift motion, pull it out. And you can see there, that's pretty much it. Now we just go over to our kit and grab our razor that they give you, and take the razor and shave, cut down what's left of the plug sticking out. There's about 1 inch. I cut it down to about 1/4 inch. So as I've said, I've used other tire kits before, and I have to say this ARB Speedy Seal kit worked really well. This is a great tool to have in your garage. A great thing to add to your repair kit for your garage, and I was very 100% happy with it. I think it's well worth the buy and can come in handy for getting a nail in your tire or having any kind of nail that might be able to be repaired. This is a great kit to add to your garage to do that. Thanks for stopping by Kevin's Garage. If you enjoyed the video, hit thumbs up. If you think you'd like to see more, hit subscribe. I've got a 383 stroker 97 Camaro. I haven't even got time to film yet. I've got a lot of exciting content coming up. Review on race ramps, a great product I've been using this year. So hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Kevin's Garage.